You have no honor. And you are a slave to it.
Who did this to you?
I will teach you to defend yourself.
What does honor mean to you?
Protecting people. The ones who can't fight for themselves. Couldn't save him. I was a coward.
Your father fell in battle saving his only son. This is what makes us samurai. A samurai must always fight with patience, even when his opponent resorts to trickery. I wish to formally adopt you as my son.
We live by a code of honor.
Only cowards stray from the shadows.
And sometimes we die by it.
You sent our men to die. Their blood is on our hands. Is this how you want to be remembered? You have no honor, and you are a slave to it.